observation between every infantry in the house one. We closely observe what's going on in this place that was here we saw. Then this immense time. Let's report some movements there. It's just a patrol put together